Tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Arapahoe County in northeastern Colorado, southern Adams County in northeastern Colorado until 4:45 p.m. At 4:29 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located over northwestern Aurora, or 9 miles east of Denver, moving west at 10 miles an hour.
Wow.
Hazard, tornado.
Oh.
Source, weather spotters confirm tornado. Impact, expects damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles.
That's unusual.
This tornadic thunderstorm will remain near Buckley Air Force Base and nearby surrounding locations in northwestern Arapahoe and southern Adams counties. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is not all hazards radio. The program has been suspended due to severe weather in the listening area. For full information...
Okay then. They issued a tornado warning out of nowhere, and it's an unusual one at that. Alright, oh yeah, it's just confirmed. Oh. It doesn't say that flying debris will be dangerous. Just damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. This sounds like a landspout tornado. Oh no. This isn't a thunderstorm risk, mind you. It's not a marginal risk. This is not supposed to happen, but I like it.